Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a happy ghost carrying a pumpkin basket. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by sketching with a black color. First, draw the scarf. Next, draw the ghost's head. Then draw two cute eyes. Now, draw a big happy smile. Let's draw the pumpkin basket. Draw the arm holding the basket. Then, draw the basket's handle. Add a funny face to the basket. Now draw the ghost's body. Lastly, draw a shadow under the ghost. Great job! Our sketch is ready for coloring. Let's begin. Use orange to color the cheeks. Use orange again for the scarf. Color the pumpkin basket with the same orange. Use pink to color the ghost's body. Use dark red for the ghost's mouth. Use red to color the face on the pumpkin basket. Use black to color the ghost's shadow. All done! How is it? Was it easy or a little tricky? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!